How long does it take to repair a wig? Well, it really depends. Sometimes someone could come into the salon and get her work done the day of. And sometimes it could take up to 2-3 weeks depending on all the work that needs to be done. The real question is it worth it? That really depends. If you're talking about a $6,000-$7,000 wig that you wore for 2-3 years and it needs $800, then I would say yes, invest that money and you'll get another 2-3 good years out of it. But if you're talking about a wig that costed $2,000 and it needs $1,000+ of work, then that may be your sign to look into getting a new wig. Send your wig on DM or WhatsApp and we'll guide you as to what the best approach will be.